want to start or should I?
Why don't you start?
Okay. Hey everybody! Welcome back to the show! Welcome back
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
the podcast
about Ojibwe language.
and culture. I am Natasha.
I am NANABOOZHOO, and today it's another music show. Today we're just gonna profile some songs.
Yeah. What song do you want to start with?
Oh, I don't know. Which one do you want to do?
This first song is by a band from Norway called Aha. And should we dedicate it to Nina and Ikwe?
Yeah, okay. This song is for Nina and Ikwe and Trudy.
Our favorite Norwegians.
All right. Aha, take on me.
Talking away, I don't know what I'm to say, I'll say it anyway. Today's another day to find you shying away. I'll be coming for your love, okay? Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. So needless to say, I'm odds and ends, but I'll be stumbling awake, slowly learning that life is okay. Say after me, it's no better to be safe than sorry. Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. Things that you say, is it life or just to play my worries away? You're all the things I've got to remember. You shine away. I'll be coming for you anyway. Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. Take on me. Take me
Yeah, I know, huh? What should be the next song?
How about Leave On?
All right, this one's by Elton John. Leave On.
Leave on wears his war wound like a crown. He calls his child Jesus because he likes the name, and he sends him to the finest school in town. Leave on likes his money. His family business thrives. Jesus blows up balloons all day. He sits on the porch swing watching them fly. He was born a pauper to a pawn on a Christmas day, when the New York Times said God is dead and the war's begun. Alvin Tostin had a son today, and it shall be a leave on, and it shall be a good man, and it shall be a leave on, in tradition with a family plan, and it shall be a leave on, and it shall be a good man. He shall believe on. Oh.
Leave On by Elton John.
I know, it's a good one, huh? Should we do another Elton John?
Yeah, sure. This next song
Is your song.
It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, but then again, who knows, or a man who makes potions in a traveling show. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you. You can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. I sat on the roof and kicked at the moss, but a few of the verses, well, they've got me quite cross. But the sun's been quite kind while I wrote this song. It's for people like you that keep it turned on. So excuse me for getting, but these things I do, you see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean, yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever seen. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world.
Hey everybody, just want to remind you that NanaBOOZHOO is on
KAXE and KBXE Community Radio, and I think it's Monday mornings.
Yeah, so if you'd like to hear us on the radio, just tune in to KBXE in Bemidji.
And KAXE in Grand Rapids. I almost said Grand Forks.
I know I always do it too. Alright, well I will see you again. Gigawabamin.
Minawa! Hawa!
Oh, wow. Alright, good job.
Thanks, sweetie.